You want to go inside? You want to go home? Why you want to go home? Come in here. Okay, one more. Shh. Uh-oh. Drop up. Another one. No, it's the foot. Uh-oh. Look, your friend here. Look, your friend here. Look, your friend here. Look, look, your friend here. He's coming for you. He's coming for you, Taito. Where's your friend? Look, your friend, he's coming for you. Look. Baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What are you doing there? You want to clap on the top? Yeah, good. Okay. Go. Close to Taito. Did you like mommy touching you? Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Easy. She's flew. She's flew again. You want to go home? Are you? You want to go home? Okay. I know. You want to go home? Come over here. Wow. Yes, today is a nice day, isn't it? Yeah, we go outside, relax a little bit, and then go home. Okay. See, she wants to go home. She wants to go home. Okay, we go home. Okay, we're going home. Okay, yeah. We're going home. Okay, and bring the carrot. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We'll go home. Okay. You want to go home? You want to go home?